morning, beautiful souls. How are you this bright and beautiful day today? Here are your morning messages. What is your focus going to be on today? Is Queen of Sword. Alright, so who are you cutting out today? You're going to be extremely decisive. You could also be spending some time pruning not just your garden but your life. Alright, you are being asked to reconsider your commitments. Maybe you are someone who finds it difficult to say no to people. When you say yes to people, when you want to say no, you are saying no to yourself. If you are spread too thin, alright, you'll just drain yourself, you'll get exhausted, and then you'll get cranky and you will resent them. It will not be something you do out of goodness of your heart. So learn to assert yourself, and no is a wonderful word. What is the divine direction for us all today? Is move. Get up and get active. Try gentle exercise such as yoga, tai chi, or pilates. Alright, so someone has been working or someone has been a couch potato, and you are being guided to get moving, to allow the energy to flow. Ascension energies might have created kind of body ache and stiffness and movement. Gentle dancing, stretching, yoga, the way when you move your body, the light that has entered you starts moving freely, and it starts flowing inside of you, and the upgrades are more smooth. Alright, what are we letting go or surrendering today? Is surrender to prayer. Give yourself completely to prayer. When you pray from your heart, you will be heard throughout the universe, and answers and support will arrive. Alright, so Queen of Sword is also someone who is a lot of times interpreted as a single person, someone who has got divorced, or is someone who has been through a lot in life, and you might be struggling with something. This might not be for all of you, but someone specific out there, and you might be feeling overwhelmed. Regardless, all of us need to definitely surrender more to prayer at this time, to keep our family and loved ones safe, and for things to go peacefully and harmoniously. Alright, so the message today is, have you piled so much on your plate that there is little time or little room for you? Ideally, what truly matters, and graciously decline the rest. There's a universe of meaningful opportunities on the other side of no. In fact, every no makes space for the perfect yes. Your freedom is closer than you think, right? So if you are feeling hopeless, if there is some kind of doubt, if you're feeling overwhelmed, definitely make a parcel and send it upward to God. Ask for assistance from the divine, and go out. Stop sitting and mulling over. Staying stagnant will keep that energy continuing with you. So go for a walk, get some movement in your body, get going, and perhaps it would be wise to spend some time in nature, or if you like gardening, please spend some time gardening. And I sincerely hope whatever it is that is coming up for you today, you're able to deal with it and it gets solved really quickly. Please keep your love coming towards me. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below.